In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download SpotHero. First, you will want to open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, or the App Store if you are on an iPhone or iPad. This is the gateway to all the apps available for your device. As you look at your screen, you will see the familiar icons that represent these platforms. The Google Play Store has a vibrant design with various categories displayed, while the App Store features a clean layout with top charts and recommendations. Opening the correct store is crucial because this is where you will find the SpotHero app. Next, you will need to search for SpotHero Find Parking. In the search bar at the top of the screen, simply type in SpotHero. As you do this, you may notice suggestions popping up, which can help you find the app quickly. Once you hit the search button, a list of results will appear. Take a moment to look through them. It is essential to ensure you find the right app. This will save you time and prevent any confusion later on. Now verify that the app is published by SpotHero Inc. This is an important step. You want to ensure that you are downloading the official app and not a third-party version. Look for the name beneath the app icon. If it says SpotHero Inc., you are good to go. This verification helps keep your device secure and ensures that you will receive the authentic features and updates from the official developer. From there, tap Install if you are on Android or Get if you are on an iPhone or iPad. This action initiates the download process. You will see an animation indicating that the app is being downloaded. This part is exciting because you are one step closer to accessing SpotHero's features. The download size will vary, but it generally completes fairly quickly, depending on your internet speed. If prompted, authenticate your download. On Android, you may need to sign in with your Google account. On iPhone or iPad, you might use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple account password. This step ensures that you have permission to download apps on your device. It's a security measure that protects your information and device. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, tap Open. This opens the SpotHero app for the first time. You will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate. The app is designed to help you find parking quickly and efficiently. After you open it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make your experience smoother as you start to use the app. At this point, you will need to sign in to your existing SpotHero account or create a new account if you are a new user. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, follow the prompts to create one. This step is vital because it allows you to access personalized features like managing your reservations and saving payment methods. This makes your parking experience more convenient and tailored to your needs. In conclusion, SpotHero is free to download and offers many features. You can search for, compare, and reserve parking at airports, garages, and parking lots in hundreds of cities across the United States and Canada. Additionally, within the app, you can view your parking pass, manage reservations, and save payment methods. With everything set up, you are ready to make your parking experiences seamless and efficient. Enjoy your newfound access to convenient parking solutions.